Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Engineering is the closest thing to magic that exists in this whole world. Hello all, we are second year computer engineering students from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune, Maharashtra. Under this project-based learning, myself, Sudipta and my teammates Abhijit, Isha and Shweta have completed a project on Emojify using Python libraries under the guidance of Professor Amruta Kapre ma'am. The main objective of our project is to classify human facial expression to filter and map corresponding emojis and avatars. This is the introduction of our project. Emojis and avatars are the way to indicate non-verbal cues. These cues have become an essential part of online chatting, product review, brand emotions, and many more. It also leads to increasing data science research dedicated to emoji-driven storytelling. Platform or the programming language used is Python using Google Colab. This is the project architecture, that is Python pip install, then three libraries: emoji, regex, demoji. In emoji we give input text, output is emoji. In regex we give input sentence with many emojis and output is only extracting the emojis. Demoji input is given emoji and output we get is text. Now let's see how our program works.
Emojifying using Python. Using this, we can insert any emoji we want in our program by using just its syntax. First, we have to install emoji by using pipe install emoji. Then we have whichever emoji we want, we can use their syntax, as you can see, hashtag grinning face or hashtag grinning face with sweat, and after running the program, it gets displayed here. The second one is extracting all emojis from a text. If we want to separate emojis and words from a paragraph, we can do this easily using regex. It helps us to separate emojis and we have to insert a text with emojis in it, and in the output we get just the emojis reflected. Then we have demojifying using Python, that is converting emoji into text. This can be done in two ways. First one, we have to install the demoji. Then we have to input several emojis to see what their meaning is. And as we can see in the output, the emoji with its meaning gets displayed alongside. And the second way is replacing emoji with its meaning. Here we have to install emoji first. Then in the input, we have to input various emojis. And in the output, we get their meaning in a type of phrase.
This is the conclusion of our project. We learn ready-to-use Python libraries and functions through which we are able to process on the text input and generate fun emojis as an output and vice versa. This is the application of our project. When texting your friend, emoji can make text more expressive. Prediction of facial expression. Develop emoji app of your own. This is the future scope of our project. To investigate the relation between words and emojis, we can design a game for small children that will identify their phrase expression. As we all know, united we stand, divide we fall. I would like to thank all my team members, Amruta ma'am and Zeal Institute, for all their help and support.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.